Episode 1: Arabia Before Islam. Before Islam, Arabia was a vast desert land with scattered towns and tribes. People lived simple lives, but they lacked true guidance from Allah. This time was known as Jahiliyyah, meaning the age of ignorance. Arab society was divided into many tribes. Each tribe had its own leader, rules, and customs. Honor and protection depended on one's tribe. The major tribes included Quraysh, Aus, Khazraj, Hawazin, and Tamim. The Quraysh were especially respected because they cared for the Kaaba and controlled important trade routes. Tribal loyalty was extremely strong. People supported their tribe even when it was wrong. This created unity but also caused wars, revenge, and pride. Trade was one of the most important jobs. The Quraysh led caravans between Yemen and Syria, carrying perfumes, spices, leather, and cloth. Many Arabs, especially the Bedouins, raised camels, sheep, and goats. They moved from place to place in search of water and grass. In fertile regions like Yemen, Taif, and Medina, people grew dates, grapes, and wheat. Most Arabs were polytheists. They believed their idols could bring rain, protect them, or give success. The Kaaba, built by Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam for Allah alone, had become filled with nearly 360 idols. Very few people could read or write. Knowledge was passed through poetry and oral storytelling. Superstitions and false beliefs were common. Gambling and drinking were common and caused fights and corruption. The strong oppressed the weak, and slavery was widespread. Women suffered greatly during Jahiliyyah. They had no rights, no inheritance, and in some tribes, baby girls were buried alive. Jahiliyyah was a time of ignorance and injustice. Yet the Arabs also had noble qualities, like bravery and generosity. Allah chose them and their land to receive His final revelation through Prophet Mohammed. Peace be upon him, bringing light and guidance to humanity